Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to redeem your Roblox gift card on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to redeem your Roblox gift card from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in roblox.com and give a backslash and type in redeem and hit enter like this, and after that you'll be directed to the redeem page of the Roblox. But before you get to that page, you'll be required to log into your Roblox account on this web page, where you'll be required to enter your email address or your username of the Roblox account over here, and after that enter your password over here. My computer has saved the details or the credentials of my Roblox account, so it's auto-filled. You'll be required to fill it over here, and after that click on login, and then you'll be directly directed to this page, which is the redeem Roblox codes page over here. And on this page, okay, let's go back, and on this page you'll be required to enter the code of your Roblox gift card over here. Either if you have received it by the mail, you can check the email and your code will be available over here over your mail, or if you have a card of your Roblox gift card, and you can see the back of the card where something will be covered with some kind of ink, and scratch it over there and you'll find your code over there. And after you retrieve your or receive your code, enter your code over here and then click on redeem. Then your Roblox gift card will be redeemed, and the worth of the card which you had been gifted from somebody will be redeemed on your Roblox account, and the money will be available on your account, and you can go to these games available on Roblox and you can buy them and optimize your Roblox account even further. And so guys, this is how you redeem your Roblox gift card on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.